Welcome to Lifestyle You Love with Young Brooks. This is a space where I share real lessons that I truly believe everyone needs, especially if you have ever felt lost, unsure of yourself, or wonder where to even begin in life. I believe everything starts with purpose. Growing up, the girl lacked confidence and had low self-esteem. She cried every day and didn't know where to start in her life. At 16-year-old, she left home, feel isolated and unsure how to speak up or connect with people. But at 19-year-old, she'd opened her first hair salon in Vietnam with purpose that helped her parents retire earlier. The girl ran her business from a small city to a bigger city, Ho Chi Minh City. She won multiple competitions, worked with celebrities, television, and film, and led a team of 8 people. The girl left Vietnam and moved to Australia. She barely spoke English. She became one of the highest paid in the hair industry. The girl couldn't speak English and struggled with pronunciation. People laughed at her. Now she confidently to speak on stage with 800 people in Australia. And that girl was me. I create the lifestyle I truly love, not because life was easy, but because I chose to live with purpose. And now through this podcast, I want to help you to do the same. If you feel this message could help you, please share this podcast with your friends or family. You never know whose life it changed. Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about something I have been thinking a lot lately. So I am currently launching the 1K Days Hairstylist, and honestly, it's bringing up a lot of thoughts for me because every time I launch something new, I learn something new. And I think sometimes people look at someone launching a new course or program or assume they have everything figured out. But that is not true. I am learning as I go. I am adjusting as I go. And I am paying attention to what the salon owners and hairstylists are telling me every day. So today I want to share a few things I am learning from this launch. So first, let me say why I create the program 1K Day Hairstylist. So you know that something interesting. So for years, I worked behind the chair. Then I start working with salon teams. Then I start helping salon owners. And one thing I noticed over and over again was this. Most salon owners think they have a client's problem. They think, I need more clients. I need more marketing. I need more leads. But when I look deeper, that wasn't actually a biggest problem. The biggest problem was value creation system. So many salons are already serving enough clients. But the question is how much value they are creating for those clients. Because when the team creates more values, clients spend more. They trust more. They rebook more. And they refer more. And that's when revenues start to grow. So I see the training, number two thing that I can see, that the training industry problem. This might be controversial, but I think the salon industry had training problem. Not because there isn't enough training, actually because there is too much training. So every year salon owners spend thousands and thousands of dollars sending their team to course, haircutting, color, extension, social media, retail, leadership, you name it. And after all of that training, I ask one thing: did revenue increase? And many times the answer is no. The team learned something. The team felt inspired. The team received another certificate. But 6 months later, they are still generate the same revenue. And that's got me thinking, maybe the problem isn't a lack of training. Maybe the problem is that they are teaching skill without teaching hairstylists how to communicate the value. And that leading number three thing, what changed in my thinking? One day I realized something. Revenue doesn't come from technique. Revenue comes from value. And let me say this again. Revenue doesn't come from technique. Revenue comes from values. Because clients don't pay for voice. Clients don't pay for toner. Clients don't pay for the keratin. They actually pay for outcomes. So let me go through with you my true story. So when I first started, I thought if I become really good at hair, clients would automatically come. So I invest thousands of $1,000 into trainings. I attended courses, I practice, I work on my skills. I become absorbed with getting better, and over time I become very good at what I did. But there's was one problem. Not enough people knew what I could actually do for them. I could create incredible transformation. I could solve difficult color corrections. I could help people achieve results other salons say was impossible. But I wasn't communicating that value. I wasn't explaining it. I wasn't showing clients why it matters. And that lesson changed everything for me. So here's the lesson number one. Being great at hair is not enough. So one of the big mistakes I see hairstylists make that believe in technical skill alone. So build their business. And I understand why, because that's what I believed too. I thought if I become amazing at hair, successful would automatically follow me. But people can't buy value they don't understand. So people need to understand why your service matters. They need to understand why your result is different. They need to understand why investing more actually benefits them. So I see so many talent hairstylists who could easily double their revenue, not because they need better hair skill, but because they need better communication skill. So lesson number 2 here, clients need guidance, not more option. This is lesson change the way I consult with clients. For years I thought, well, my job was simple to explain all available options and let the clients decide. But I realized many clients actually feel overwhelmed by too many choices. They don't know the difference between services. They don't know which option will give them the best result. They actually don't know what will suit their lifestyle, budgets, or maintenance level. What they're really looking for is guidance. They want something they trust to help them make the right decision. So I start spending more time asking questions. What are you struggling with? What do you love your hair? What do you wish was different? How much time do you spend styling your hair each day? What result are you hoping achieve? Then instead giving them 5 different options, I would recommend one that generously believe that the best option for them. And something interesting happened. Clients become more confident. They trust me more. They say yes more often. And because they don't always want more choice, often they want clarity. And that's one of the bigger opportunity for hairstylists today. So, for me, one more important that the third one, the higher earning hairstylist master 3 skill. So this is one really important because I think people assume the higher earning hairstylists are simply most talented, but that is not always true. I met incredible talent hairstylists who are struggling financially, and I met hairstylists with average technical skill who consistently create strong revenue. The difference is they master 3 skills. So number 1, technical skill. Number 2, communication skill. Number 3, consultation and recommendation skill. Because even when clients understand the value, they still asking themselves, is this the right option for me? That's where recommendation matter. That's where consultation matters. That's where trust is built. And when those 3 skills work together, everything changes. Clients trust you more, they understand the value, they invest in premium services, they rebook, they refer their friend and family. So that's why I create the 1K Days Hairstylist. And honestly, it is exactly why I create. Not because hairstylists need another technical training. There are already plenty of technical courses available there. I create this because I saw salon owners spending thousands of dollars on training every year and still asking the same question. Why isn't revenue growing? The team learned a new technique. Team attend another workshop. Team received another certificate, but nothing changed financially. And I realized what was missing wasn't another technique. It was missing a system for creating more value. So my student that inside training, I remember she working really hard. She was a really talented. She really did her best. She was struggling because she wasn't communicate her value. She wasn't confident recommending services. She wasn't leading the consultation. And when she learned those skills, everything changed. Her revenue increased from $1,500 per week to around $3,000-4,000 per week. She worked only 3 days a week. She spent more time with her family and kids. And it wasn't because she worked harder. It was because she learned how to create more value. That's what I see over and over again. Let me share what I'm learning during this launch. And honestly, launching this program had confirmed something I have been believing for years. So more salon owners think they need more marketing, more followers, more leads, more clients. But what they actually need is better training that help their team create more value for the clients they already have. Because when a hairstylist create more value, everything changes. The client trusts them more. They say yes to premium services more often. They read books more consistently. Clients leave better reviews. Clients refer their friends and family. And as a result, the salon generates more revenue and profits. That's why I believe the biggest opportunity for more salon owner isn't getting more clients. It helps the team create more value for the clients, ready sitting in their chairs. And that's exactly what the 1K Day Hairstylist is designed to do. So if you are a salon owner or independent hairstylist or a senior hairstylist and you would like to increase your confidence by mastering high-income technique skill, improve your consultation and learn how to confidently recommend premium services, create more value for every client, and generate 1,000 days or even more. So I could love to invite you to join the 1K Day Hairstylist. Join the waiting list. So we are getting ready for the launch and I could love to support you on that journey. And thank you so much for listening and I will see you in the next episode.